Like most people, I too have always wanted to change the massive tail light on my Interceptor 650. And I found the perfect LED tail light from Hitchcocks Motorcycles. I mean, look at the sheer size difference. And today's video is going to be how to install this. Let's go! You start by opening your toolbox cover. Remove the seat. Using a hex screwdriver, unscrew the bolts holding the rear mudguard. Afterwards, using a 10mm spanner and a medium Allen key in your toolkit, remove the license plate. Then locate the two screws under the rear mudguard. These can be easily removed using an 8mm spanner. Be careful removing the second screw and make sure the mudguard doesn't fall on you and break any wires in the process. Gently place it on the rear tire.
Careful, careful, we only get one shot at this.
After that, unplug the turn signals and the rear light. The black one is for the right signal and the white one is for the left. And the rear one is slightly bigger plug. Then, using two 10mm spanners, remove the bolts holding the license plate holder. After this, the entire unit will come off. So make sure you don't drop anything in the process to avoid damaging the OEM light. Gently lift the unit upwards along with the wires. Again, using a 10mm spanner, locate the bolts holding the tail light in place and remove them. Now it will be easier if you remove the indicators, but I didn't want it to, so I worked around them. Remove the tail light gently. And carefully remove the washers as well. After that, I placed the LED tail lights from Hitchcock's Motorcycles directly on the unit. The best part about this is that it is a direct bolt-on fit. That's right, no drilling required. It comes with two bolts and washers. One look at them and you can instantly tell that this is a quality product. The bolts are carefully machined and made with care, and are the exact length as well. Look at this, it looks compact and awesome, and the turn signals match too. While putting it back, make sure the wires come from on top of this loop, like this. The two bolts holding the license plate go through here. Make the connections. So apparently, while tightening the bolts, I tightened it so hard that I cut the wire accidentally of the indicator. Why? Because I'm a dumb person, that's why.
You idiot.
And now I have to redo the entire thing.
Do it!
Which sucks, by the way. I had to fix the indicators, which wasn't that hard. And
Voila!
I tell you, this LED setup is bright and it's naturally more safer. And I'm loving this tail light. Put the bolts back in, then the license plate gets fitted and basically the job is done. Place your toolkit back, close the lid, put the seat back, easy peasy, and give this video a like.
Hot diggity dog!
Hey, if you enjoyed this video and found something new, do me a favor and hit the like button. And if you're brand new to the channel and want to find yours back, make sure to subscribe with notifications turned on. Thank you so much for watching the video, guys. Straight out. It should have been like this in my opinion from the beginning. But then again, all that thought goes in making the motorcycle more affordable and cut costs wherever required.